자, 여러분 안녕하세요. 영돈pd입니다. 오늘은 제가 월요일에 학교를 째고 NBX 바이크스에 이렇게 나와 있습니다. 사실 여기 오게 된 이유가 저희 학교 인턴 프로그램 때문인데요. 저희 학교는 12학년, 그러니까 우리나라로 치면 고3이죠. 12학년 2학기 때 이렇게 지역 산업 현장에 나와서 직업 체험을 해보는 인턴 프로그램을 실시하고 있습니다. 그래서 학교에서 개인적으로 사업 현장을 알아보고 연락을 해서 알아서 가라고 했거든요. 그래서 저는 이렇게 집 근처에 있는 NBX라는 자전거 샵에 오게 되었습니다. 자전거인으로서 살면서 한 번쯤은 해보고 싶은 자전거 미케닉으로 2달 동안 일을 해보면서 많은 거를 배울 수 있을 것 같습니다. 그러면 지금 밖에 영하 1도거든요 근데 지금 너무 얇게 입고 있어서 얼른 들어가서 오늘은 어떤 일이 있을지 한번 만나보도록 하겠습니다. 여기 NBX 바이크가 로드아일랜드 주에서 프로비던스 바이크와 함께 양대 산맥으로 큰 자전거 샵 체인이거든요. 그래서 NBX 바이크는 이렇게 트랙이랑 스카 전문 매장입니다. 여기 로드랑 MTB랑 다 취급을 하고 있고요. 로드아일랜드에 놀러 오실 분들은 로드아일랜드 전역에 지점들이 있으니까 한번 놀러 오시면 괜찮을 것 같습니다. 자, 어느 직종이든 신입은 뭐부터 합니까? 청소부터 합니다. 자, 저는 지금 점심을 다 먹은 상태고요. 자전거 조립을 하러 왔습니다. 오늘 조립해볼 자전거는 스트라이더 바이크에서 나온 스트라이더가 되겠습니다. 2개나 조립을 해야 돼요. 2019년식 스트라이더입니다. 초록색인가봐요. 첫 번째 거 조립하다가 손가락을 포크에 찍혀가지고 이렇게 됐거든요. 어우씨, 엄청 따갑네요. 19년부터는 이렇게 발판이 추가됐다고 합니다. 이 뒤에 애기들이 발 겨울 때마다 이 스포크에 발이 걸릴까봐 항상 불안했었는데 타는 걸 보면 이런 디자인 수정을 해주니까 참 좋네요. 훨씬 안전하게 탈 수 있을 것 같습니다. Matte black.
The only color there is. Alright, so get everything stacked up against your bench.
Yep.
Make sure nothing falls over. Get all the parts separated on the bench.
카본 자전거에 손때가 묻으면 슬프니까 장갑을 끼고 진행을 하도록 하겠습니다. DI2를 본 적도 만져본 적도 없어요. 진짜 이게 내 자전거가 아닌데도 설레네요. 이렇게 새 자전거를 뜯는다는 건 정말 설레는 일이에요.
So you see this junction box? This piece goes under the stem with the wires pointing forward. You'll see this little mount.
Yep.
Snap in place, and we have to cut these bands so that they fit under there.
Okay.
we're just going to connect these wires. So you try to take up as much slack as possible so they're not flopping around in the wind, so it doesn't matter what bus they're connected to. We just try to keep them as tight as possible. Alright?
Yep.
And this one will set up in the middle. Alright. Now the system is live, so assuming it has a battery charge, we're going to be able to see it right now. So you can hold any button down on the shifter and this will indicate what level battery it has, which is nothing right now. So
nothing.
You can see this little access door right here.
Oh.
That's your charge port. Alright, so we can't really do much until that's all hooked up since it's so dead. So these are the new axles.
Yes.
These have this little arrow plug in them.
Oh.
So you can take this out. I don't know if you want to put that in your little film.
Oh. Oh, so you can
make it more aerodynamic by pulling the plug out. And that one works on the front and the rear.
That's so cool.
There we go. Now we should have the ability to do that. So if the gap's closer to a millimeter from the outside of the cage to the chain, it's going to shift more powerfully.
Yeah.
So that's the only adjustment you saw me do there. Now as far as setting the low limit screw, on this newer Ultegra derailleur there actually isn't a limit screw anymore. You'll use the paddle on the shifter.
Okay.
So you'll hold this until you go into adjustment mode, and your upshift button is now going to move that derailleur very small amounts.
Oh.
So you want to adjust it until it touches the chain. There you go. It's touching it now.
Yep.
And then we're going to back it off just until there's that 1/2 mil gap there. Alright?
Yep.
And we're done.
Nice.
So now we're going to back out of adjustment mode. We'll see one of the nicest features of the Ultegra system and the Di2 system in general is auto trimming. So you're going to see when I shift up to the top, it's going to move past what it needs to be, and then it's going to move back.
Oh, wow.
And then on the way down, it's going to move just far enough down to drop the chain, and then it's going to trim off it so it doesn't make noise. So watch the derailleur. 2 steps there, and here. Alright?
Oh, are you controlling this, or?
Nope, it's doing that automatically. So once the system knows where it is, front and rear, it can auto trim so that you don't have that annoying chain rub, and you have a powerful shift in every combo.
That's cool.
It's really the reason why mechanical shifting can't beat it.
Yeah.
Alright, the last thing with Trek is that they have this little integrated
chain
keeper down there.
Yep.
So we just want to make sure that that is as close to the chainring as we can get it without contact. The Trek ones have a tendency of touching the chainring bolts before the chain. So we want to make sure that we're using the chainring bolt as the reference, not the chainring.
Yep.
So. We're just going to let that keep going, and then all we have left to do on this bike is tighten the bar stem and make sure that the saddle's level and tidy up this this cable.
Yep.
All right.
Nice.